You ever listen to K. Billy's Super Sounds of the 70s? It's my personal favorite.
Joe Egan and Jerry Rafferty were a duo known as Dealer's Wheel when they recorded this Dylan-esque pop bubblegum favorite from April of 1974. That reached up to number 5 as K. Billy's Super Sounds of the 70s continues.
Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck. And I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep this smile from my face. When you started out with nothing and you got a joy, self-ignored. And your friends think I'll come crawling, slap you on the back and say,
Was that as good for you as it was for me? Hey, what's going on? You hear that?